What I'd buy first if I was rebuilding my home gym in 2025. If I had to rebuild my home gym from scratch. This is exactly what I'd buy first. No fluff, no gimmicks. Just the 6 pieces of gear that actually get used every week. Let's get into it. Bowflex SelectTech 552 adjustable dumbbells. These are hands down the most valuable piece of gear I own. They replace 15 sets of dumbbells, adjust with a twist, and save a ton of space. Whether you're doing curls, rows, presses, or squats, these go from beginner to heady in seconds. If you're starting a home gym, start here. Flybird Adjustable Weight Bench. Pair your dumbbells with a solid bench, and now you've unlocked full workouts. This one adjusts from flat to incline and even decline. It folds down flat if you're short on space, and it doesn't wobble under weight. Benches are underrated, but trust me, this changes the game. Theragun Mini 2.0. Recovery isn't optional, and this thing delivers. It's compact, quiet, and powerful, perfect for post-leg day soreness, back stiffness, or a quick shoulder reset. Keep it by the couch or toss it in your gym bag. You'll use it more than you think. Gorilla Mats Premium Large Exercise Mat. This mat covers your floor in a way yoga mats just can't. It's thick, grippy, doesn't slide, and gives you room to stretch, lift, do height, or even roll around with a foam roller. Protects your joints and your floors, worth every cent. Resistance Band Set. These are still one of the most versatile tools in fitness. You can mimic almost any movement, curls, presses, pull-downs, with zero risk of injury. This set comes with a door anchor, handles, and multiple resistance levels, making it perfect for travel or small space training. Wall-mounted pull-up bar. Upper body strength, pull-ups are king. This bar mounts to the wall, supports serious weight, and opens the door to pull-ups, leg raises, and more. It folds away when you're done. Super compact, super effective. That's what I'd buy first if I was starting my home gym all over again. If you've been waiting to upgrade your space, these 6 gadgets cover strength, recovery, cardio, and mobility. Everything you need, nothing you don't. All the gear is linked below.